ChatGPT is a revolutionary AI-powered content creation tool that generates text in mere seconds. Launched in 2022, it achieved an incredible milestone of 1 million users in its first week, and it's now set to receive a $10 billion investment from Microsoft in 2023. This partnership has the potential to be the biggest tech deal of the decade, as Microsoft sees ChatGPT as the key to overtaking Google's dominance in web searches. But how can this be achieved? Stay right there to find out, as today's content is nothing short of extraordinary. Get ready to be blown away by one of the most impressive AI technologies ever created, ChatGPT. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can craft content on any subject in a matter of seconds with all just a few simple commands. And the fun doesn't stop there. You can make changes, customize the tone, and even request a rewrite in the style of Tolkien from The Lord of the Rings. The possibilities are almost endless, and this is just the beginning. Developed by the cutting-edge company OpenAI, based in San Francisco and co-founded by the tech visionary Elon Musk, who needs no introduction. In 2019, OpenAI formed a billion-dollar partnership with Microsoft, positioning itself as a major player in the AI arena and rivaling industry giant Google.
Hello.
So why did Microsoft make such a big investment? Well, part of the billion-dollar deal came in the form of cloud credit, which means ChatGPT now runs on Azure, Microsoft's cloud storage service. With this arrangement, Microsoft has become a crucial component in ChatGPT's operation, making the app dependent on Azure for its daily functioning. Under the agreement, Microsoft will own 49% of OpenAI and be entitled to 75% of the company's profits until their investment is recouped. Just to put things into perspective, OpenAI spends roughly $100,000 every day to operate ChatGPT. By leveraging the power of Azure, Microsoft is strategically positioning itself to stay ahead in the race for AI innovation and dominance. But what is Microsoft's plan to take on Google in web searches? Listen up, we're going to tell you right now. The idea is to leverage ChatGPT to enhance Bing, Microsoft's search service, to challenge Google's dominance in web searches. In 2022, despite Bing's best efforts, it managed to capture only a mere 10% of the total global searches, compared to Google, which led with more than 80%. However, ChatGPT is gaining popularity among experts as a more efficient tool for finding web content, as it offers answers to questions in conversational form, instead of a list of pages that may not be relevant to your search. For instance, you can ask for online business ideas for 2023, or how to make money using ChatGPT. A student seeking a 2-page article on the deforestation in the Amazon forest can get an instant response. In seconds, we have the job done. Technology specialists predict that integrating ChatGPT and Bing could be a difficult task and requires a complete redesign of the product. In truth, Bing's unfavorable position in the search market presents an opportunity for Microsoft. Bing's low market share and modest contribution to Microsoft's profits allow the company to take more risks and launch something innovative. Google, the dominant internet search engine, generates more than 50% of its profits from user searches. Therefore, innovating their search tool may be more risky since everyone is familiar with the Google page. In order to dominate this segment, ChatGPT and Bing may face challenges. This is not Microsoft's first attempt to place an intelligent chat robot. Tay, launched in 2016 for Twitter, faced problems because it was reproducing racist content in users' feeds, leading to its interruption 16 hours after launch. In the case of ChatGPT, the application itself alerts users to the possibility of creating offensive, dangerous, and inappropriate content, and asks for help to improve their results. Another issue is intellectual property, as ChatGPT answers are formulated based on information supported by users on the internet, as well as for commercial content published by books, magazines, or websites. If ChatGPT uses text without proper authorization, they could face problems ahead. For ChatGPT to dominate the market, business models will also face a radical change. What would happen to Google pay-per-click if the search does not suggest web pages as a reference? Even if this kind of marriage between ChatGPT and Microsoft is the investment of the decade, it is still too early to say who would dominate the future of artificial intelligence and internet search. So one thing is certain, Microsoft counts on OpenAI to win the AI race. So now, it's up to Google to fight back. If you enjoyed this video, give your like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.